Hello everybody for this exercise about the prepositions of place and movement. You have 20 questions and 10 seconds for each. Share your score at the end. Let's get started. Question 1. She arrived at the airport just in time for her flight. The answer is A. She arrived at the airport just in time for her flight. Question 2. They are moving to New York next week. The answer is C. They are moving to New York next week. Question 3. Are you going to the concert this weekend? The answer is A. Are you going to the concert this weekend? Question 4. I will meet you at the cafe near your house. The answer is B. I will meet you at the cafe near your house. Question 5. He's in the kitchen right now, cooking dinner. The answer is C. He's in the kitchen right now, cooking dinner. Question 6. We traveled to Italy last summer. The answer is A. We traveled to Italy last summer. Question 7. She works at a bank downtown. The answer is B. She works at a bank downtown. Question 8. The keys are the drawer, not on the table. The answer is A. The keys are in the drawer, not on the table. Question 9. Did you send the invitation, everyone? The answer is A. Did you send the invitation to everyone? Question 10. I stayed home because it was raining. The answer is A. I stayed at home because it was raining. Question 11. We arrived at the train station too late. The answer is C. We arrived at the train station too late. Question 12. I left my phone in the car. The answer is A. I left my phone in the car. Question 13. He was waiting at the bus stop when I saw him. The answer is B. He was waiting at the bus stop when I saw him. Question 14. The letter is addressed, my friend in Canada. The answer is C. The letter is addressed to my friend in Canada. Question 15. We stayed a hotel near the beach. The answer is B. We stayed at a hotel near the beach. Question 16. They live a small village outside the city. The answer is B. They live in a small village outside the city. Question 17. Are you sending this letter, Sarah, or someone else? The answer is A. Are you sending this letter to Sarah or someone else? Question 18. He isn't work today, he's taking a day off. The answer is C. He isn't at work today, he's taking a day off. Question 19. We're going a party tonight. Want to join us? The answer is C. We're going to a party tonight. Want to join us? Question 20. Is the meeting the office or somewhere else? The answer is B. Is the meeting at the office or somewhere else? How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And what quiz should we do next? I hope you enjoyed this test and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. Pick your next challenge. See you.